How to make viral UGC ads with AI using Higgsfield AI. UGC ads, or user generated content style ads, are the best performing ad format across every major social platform right now. They outperform polished brand videos because they look real, they look like genuine people sharing genuine experiences rather than brands trying to sell something. The problem is that producing a real UGC at scale requires finding creators, briefing them, waiting for content, reviewing it, and paying per price. A process that is slow, expensive, and inconsistent. Now, Higgsfield AI truly changes this. Using its AI avatar system and video generation tools, you can produce UGC style ads that are virtually indistinguishable from real creator content at a fraction of the cost and in a fraction of the time. And not just functional UGC ads, but ads specifically designed to go viral. Now, this video is going to cover the complete workflow. Most AI generated UGC ads fail not because the technology is bad, but because the content strategy is quite wrong. People are going to focus on making the avatar look real and forget that what makes UGC ads perform. And what truly makes them viral is the content and the emotional hook, not just the visual format. Viral UGC ads share three characteristics. They open with a hook that is so specific and relatable that target viewer feels personally addressed. They present a problem or situation the viewer has experienced themselves, described in the way a real person would describe it rather than a way a brand would describe it. And they resolve that problem with a soft, credible recommendation that feels like advice from a peer rather than a sales pitch. Now, getting these three elements right is what separates a UGC that runs without results from that one go viral. Now, the hook is the only, or hook is first 2 to 3 seconds of your UGC ad, and it's the only thing that determines whether someone keeps watching or scrolls past. Now, for a viral UGC ad, the hook needs to do one thing better than anything else in the viewer's feed, and that is make specific viewer it's designed for feel like the video was made for them personally. Now, the hook that works best for UGC ads are problem stated as experiences, not tired of expensive skincare or something like that. Okay. So, to start off, we're going to go ahead and sign up straight away. And you can sign up and get an additional discount for yourself as well. So, I'm simply going to be using my Google or my Gmail. And once we run that up, here you have all of these things. So, I'm going to be using my straightforward Gmail account to sign myself in. And once we're in, it says sign in to Higgsfield AI. Once you're here, you're going to click on continue. And by clicking on continue, it's going to bring you straight into your account. It's going to onboard you with a few things, ask you a few questions that it necessarily needs to ask. There's different types of things that it will show you as well, like the different models it uses. So we have Nano Banana Pro, we have Cooling 3.0, then you have very own Higgsfield Soul, and a whole lot more. So as you can see, Higgsfield is going to bring you straight in. How do you plan to use Higgsfield? I'm going to go with for personal use. How experienced are you with AI? Let's go with intermediate. What do you want to create? So of course we have video gen, you could go with image gen, and so much more. Now, of course, we need UGC ads, right? So I'm going to go with video gen for now. And how did you hear about us? Let's go with Insta. And what frustrates you most about this content? We're going to do that. And now from here on out, you can maximize your generation through all of these things. All right. So once you've given it that, you can simply click on continue. Okay. Now, once you click on continue, what Higgsfield does is it does give you its pricing and brands because Higgsfield is not exactly free. Okay. For generation, you will need a few, pricings. Now, once you've gotten everything going up and ready, you can start your generation. Now, for UGC, you can simply come over here in video. And as you can see, it says UGC factory over here. So you're going to open that up. Now, once you open that up, it will take you to the actual UGC creator. Okay. Something that will, of course, bring your UGC working pretty straight up standard and pretty straightforward. Doesn't really waste a lot of your time, doesn't really go ahead and work about things. It gets you straight into the UGC design. Now here it asks you to pretty much select a template for yourself. So selling something, then there's selfie, then there's general, ASMR, podcast, car talking. You can go down and even get more stuff that you can pretty much check out for yourself. So in my case, let's say I want to go ahead with a study cam and we click on next. Now you can upload an avatar for yourself if you want to for product placement, or you can upload a whole product. Now let's say I'm going to go ahead and upload an avatar for myself. I'm going to upload an avatar that I want to talk. Okay, I'm going to upload an avatar that I want, actually going ahead and collaborating with the audience, something that I personally choose, something that I personally picked out on. Okay, so in my case, let's say I'm going to go ahead with some businessman. Let's go with linked in photo. Okay, because I want it to look pretty professional, because I want my avatar to be as professional as my UGC ad. And of course, your ad will only look professional and acceptable if the avatar that you're using actually looks like someone or something that is, appropriately workable. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. Come over here. Now we can simply go ahead and paste it right in this section. Okay, you're going to click on upload avatar and you can paste it into this section pretty easily. So what I'm going to be doing in this case is bring it right here from my screenshots, and I'm going to bring that screenshot right over here. So what we'd simply do is, of course, you're going to make sure that all of this is consistently saved inside. Will lead to a little shaky of a design. Now, of course, once you go ahead with all of this, you're going to go ahead and describe your script, and once all of that is done, Higgsfield is going to go ahead and generate one of the best looking viral UGC clips for you. And of course, it will only depend on how you want it to look and how you plan on using all of these things, like the images. Then there's the action section where you're going to tell it what it needs to do, audio text, audio settings, and then finally the background. So it's pretty standard and it is pretty straightforward.
So once everything is finalized, do make sure to recheck it all again. And what you can do is you can recalculate all the steps by watching the video from the start. Make sure you didn't miss anything out, all the ways, all the guides, and all the tutorials that I showed you. Do make sure to follow them and follow the steps carefully, and you should reach the point where you need to go to. So apart from all of that, that is pretty much the end of the video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. And if there are any questions in your mind that you would like to ask regarding the video, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be answering them for you right away. Apart from that, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.